Every person has a story. Some are just starting out, learning what discipline really costs. Some have been here before.
Hey, Khaled. I want my money by end of this week.
They've trusted
I
systems,
promise.
believed promises,
Hey Khalid, Zafina's fees is due. Please try to arrange it soon.
I am trying.
and learned what silence feels like when it matters most. Some are rebuilding, providing, proving something to the world or to themselves. Different paths, different pressures, different reasons for showing up. But everyone shares one moment, not the moment things look good, not the moment numbers line up, the moment you need it to be real. Because that's when hope either survives or disappears. Life isn't lived in projections. It's lived in timing, in trust, in whether the thing you worked for shows up when it's supposed to. Every story deserves more than a good ending. It deserves a beginning that actually begins. And sometimes, the smallest window of time is the biggest difference between waiting and living.
You can do whatever you want.
We know how important trust is for you, and trust is what we serve.